Today we're doing a groundbreaking at Courtyards at Oak Grove, a absolutely fantastic, beautiful community. Higharc has actually helped us on the sales side. Buyers have interacted with the program on our website.
We just retired, beginning of this year. We have been planning to downsize.
When we started shopping, Epcon Communities really spoke to me. They showed us a lot of visuals.
Looking at a plan view is good, but looking at it in 3D is much better. Can rotate the house, look at different sides and things like that. That was an added plus. And then also the elevation that we choose was mapped on to the model that we were able to see on Higharc, which really gave us a good idea about what is the house that we're going to get.
Higharc's a great tool for both sales and the buyers. It allows us to create a presentation specific to the buyer's needs and wants so that they can visualize everything as opposed to having to just visualize it in their mind.
This is us. This is our house. We're standing in our house.
Being able to do like a virtual walkthrough, that's really helpful.
Buyers love the interactive aspect of it. They like to choose the color and see what the colors look like on the outside. They like to see a screen porch as opposed to a sitting room and see a visual picture of each one of those. It's actually shortened the sales process for us, which I got to tell you is pretty awesome.